In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain in Cloudways. If you're setting up something like a staging site, a shop, a member area, or a development version of your website, this process can feel a little different in Cloudways compared to traditional hosting panels. That's because Cloudways doesn't usually treat a subdomain as just a quick add-on. Instead, it works best when you create a separate application for it, which keeps everything isolated, organized, and easier to manage. To begin, open your browser, go to the Cloudways platform, and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on the Servers tab at the top and choose the server where your projects are hosted. From there, click the Add App button in the upper right area. Now choose the application type you want, such as WordPress, WooCommerce, or custom PHP. Give the application a clear name so you can recognize it later, then click Add Application. Cloudways will now provision that new application for you, and this usually takes a couple of minutes. Once the application is ready, go to the Applications tab and open the one you just created. On the Access Details page, look for the public IP field. This is the IP address your subdomain will point to. Copy that IP address and keep it handy. Next, open a new browser tab and sign in to the place where your domain is managed. This could be your registrar or DNS provider. Go to the DNS management area for your domain and create a new DNS record. Choose a record as the record type. In the host or name field, enter only the subdomain prefix. For example, if your full subdomain will be shop.yourdomain.com, just enter shop here. In the value or points to field, paste the Cloudways public IP address you copied earlier. Leave the TTL on automatic or 1 hour, then save the record. After that, give DNS a little time to start propagating. Now go back to Cloudways and open the domain management section inside your application. Click Add Domain, then enter the full subdomain address and save the changes. After it appears in the list, open the options next to it and set it as the primary domain. This tells Cloudways that your application should respond directly to that subdomain. The next step is securing it with SSL. In the application sidebar, open SSL certificate. Leave Let's Encrypt selected, then enter an email address and your full subdomain. Click Install Certificate and let Cloudways complete the setup. This gives your subdomain PS encryption at no extra cost. Finally,